Бажаю здоров'я, шановні українці і українки.
Russia plans to involve North Korea directly in the full-scale war against Ukraine this fall and winter, President Volodymyr Zelensky said, citing intelligence data. The announcement comes a day after Zelensky warned of an increasing alliance between Moscow and Pyongyang. According to Ukraine's military intelligence, Russia's plans for the fall and winter include the actual involvement of North Korea in the war, Zelensky said. The briefing also included updates on Russia's relations with some other countries that, unfortunately, are investing in prolonging the war, the president added. Zelensky warned that Russia and North Korea were deepening their alliance, saying that the partnership had escalated to the point where North Korea was sending personnel to Ukraine's front lines along with weapons. This is no longer just about transferring weapons. It is actually about transferring people from North Korea to the occupying military forces, he said. The warning followed reports from South Korean Defense Minister Kim Jong-hyun that North Korea is likely to deploy regular troops to Ukraine to aid Russia at the front. Reports have also emerged in recent days that North Korean officers were killed in a Ukrainian missile strike in Russian-occupied territory. The Kyiv Independent has not been able to verify these reports, which have not been confirmed beyond a single intelligence source. North Korea has been supplying Russia with ballistic missiles and vast quantities of artillery shells since the fall of 2023. Earlier this year, two countries signed a mutual defense pact during Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to Pyongyang. The 140th Separate Reconnaissance Battalion of the Ukrainian Navy has destroyed a Russian Tu-S7 Pion self-propelled artillery unit in the Kherson region. Russians thought it was smart to drive through a minefield with a regular car. Operational Tactical Group Luhansk reports that in Toretsk there are no intact buildings or shelters left. The Russians are seizing new areas. Unfortunately, the enemy continues to assault our positions, and there are no whole buildings left in Toretsk. The city now resembles a deserted planet. There are no shelters for either civilians or military personnel, and sadly, this allows the enemy to take over new areas, but it's already scorched earth, stated Anastasia Bobovnikova, spokesperson for OTU Luhansk. And another great report from our friend Dmitry from War Translated. A channel representing the remnants of Wagner PMC reported that Mikhail Prikodko, commander of the 9th Assault Unit, call sign Michael, was killed in Mali on October 12th. He was leading a mobile group deployed to contain an Islamist breakthrough when he sustained fatal injuries. On October 12, 2024, during a combat mission in Mali, Mikhail Prikodko, commander of the 9th Assault Unit of Wagner PMC, call sign Michael, was tragically killed. That day, the 9th Assault Unit's mobile group engaged with superior terrorist forces. Michael made the decision to immediately deploy a rapid reaction force to the combat zone and personally led it. Displaying courage and dedication, he effectively coordinated his unit's actions, preventing the militants from breaking through and dispersing. This allowed for a successful strike on the concentrated Islamist forces using artillery and air support, leading to their total destruction. Despite continuous enemy fire, Michael remained calm and professional, personally eliminating 8 militants. Unfortunately, the injuries he sustained during the battle were fatal. Commander Mikhail Michael Prikodko will be posthumously awarded the Wagner PMC Heroes Star. Prikodko was also listed in Ukraine's Mirotvorets database for his role in the destruction of Bakhmut and involvement in the killing of Ukrainian citizens. The soldiers left their unit due to mistreatment by their commander. Service members Vyacheslav Trutnev and Dmitry Ostrovsky from the 132nd Brigade, 109th Regiment, 3rd Company, under the command of Prokop and Battalion Commander Gleiba, said that their patience had run out.
Hello, we are servicemen of the Russian Federation. I'm Churnikov Vyacheslav Yuryevich, and with me is my fellow servicemen. I'm Ostrovsky Dmitry Alexeyevich, and we are from the 132nd Brigade of the 109th Regiment. Yes, the 3rd Company under the command of Prokop and Battalion Commander Gleiba. We left our positions. Our patience finally ran out due to their recklessness, absurd orders, unreasonable commands that send you into a hopeless situation. Not 2 of our comrades recently refused a task to advance through a minefield, which later turned out to be Prokop's doing. He threw them under the bus. The guys somehow got silenced.
Their call signs were Bersiak and Grain.
The less straw for us was when our company commander contacted us, in a questionable state. Either he was drunk or something else was wrong with him. And with him was Battalion Commander Gleiba. Well, they started giving us orders to move forward. It made no sense to advance because it was a one-way ticket.
Yes, and we decided to pull back,
How it was
to
next
retreat. Yes, we laid down our arms, tanked. We're not cowards, not deserters. We just can't follow such orders anymore. And under such leadership, we can't move forward any
Yes,
longer.
we asked for help.
We've had
to
enough.
sort this out, so this video gets public attention so people don't think we're cowards or deserters. No, we followed our orders, we fought, we served. But our patience has come to an end.
Yes. Now we are in a shelter. We went to a shelter. They took us in, fed us, washed us,
And you
clothed
managed
us.
without the
We're
work
okay.
groups, thank God.
Now we're not sure when we'll make contact, but we hope we'll get help and everything will be okay. Thanks to everyone.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.